And I'm going to do it right on top of the cutting board. And what happens is you press up and down, you'll notice the blades rotate. And then you can see how nicely that's chopped. I could do it a little bit more if I want it finer. Very quickly. And as you can see, I made the onions much coarser. And if you wanted to, you could continue chopping to make it even finer. So there you have it. So now what you can do is you can take this and
Hey there, I'm Clay with Dash, and I'm here to talk to you about mineral deposits. I just finished cooking some eggs, and you'll see that there's a little bit of mineral deposit on the bottom of the cooker. Now, this isn't corrosion and it's not a burn mark. This is totally normal, and it can either be from your water or from the outside of the eggs. It's especially true if you're cooking brown eggs. Some of that pigment can end up in the bottom of your cooker. But the great news is it's super easy to clean. All you have to do is pour a little white vinegar onto the heating plate, let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then wipe it out with a clean cloth. You'll be back to cooking perfect eggs in no time.